You can see basically I use what's called Camarilla pivots. I like to trade breakouts above R4. So Meta came back here, was holding R4, which was kind of the plan we laid out before the open. It held really well. I went long using a new 1 minute low, but as it broke away, I didn't really like it, so I stopped at break. Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Hello Bear Bull traders and everyone that's going on. We are back. I got the Prophet of Profit, Brian Pesum, with me. We're trading. Andrew still out in France getting his run on. Make sure to check out his Twitter at Bear Bull Traders to see you know, some different pictures and stuff he's posting up of his events out there. Really cool stuff. We sat down in the room today, had a really great pre-market show today. For any of y'all who aren't hitting the pre-market show, make sure you guys go and check that out, because if you were watching the pre-market show, you would have probably had a trade on mRNA today. Carlos called it out as his sleeper of the day, which is something he really thought was going to move. And this stock absolutely crushed. I did not get in on mRNA, unfortunately, because I really had only eyes for Meta today. Meta having a catalyst of a bond offering, so that's what I was into, and you can see Meta's had a big day here, which I've been enjoying, you know, putting my data on. You can see basically I use what's called Camarilla pivots. I like to trade breakouts above R4. So Meta came back here, was holding R4, which was kind of the plan we laid out before the open. It held really well. I went long using a new 1 minute low, but as it broke away, I didn't really like it, so I stopped at break even, and when it held, I got back long just using the daily level. Gave me a little bit better RVR, even though it was a slightly poorer entry. It was actually better RVR, so I got a nice partial, and then I've been trending Meta ever since I got in. I added when it came back and held 2 days ago's high. So now, or 2 sessions ago's high. So now I'm back in here and I've got a partial, and we're going to hold out a little bit here. If it gets too much lower, it'll lose trend. So I'll probably, you know, go all out. Maybe if we lose 166.50, but for now I'm just hanging on. And that is my only trades, for today. I took 2 trades, 1 break even, 1 winner. And then my boy, Brian Pesum, the Prophet of Profit, had some great call outs. I know he called out Sophie, got a little piece of that one. But the room like banked on Sophie call out. That was great.
Yeah, no, I traded it right at the open because it looked really pretty strong. So was in around 7:30 and then took some off 740s, a little bit more higher at 740. But then it really pulled back, so it kind of stopped me out back at break even. But you know, it dropped to that. It really took a hard drop. But then it just came ripping back. So, yeah, a little bit more difficult to trade. But yeah, no, I caught the other trade I did was, you know, a lot of these DeFi companies are all trading pretty strongly today. So I caught AFRM because I was watching that one as a sympathy play, and you know, 29.70ish. And then we got the move through 30, and yeah, 30.20. So that was a nice pop up, nice whole number pop. And then we got the Airbnb trade. Airbnb came ripping higher, so got in there for that 112 break, and got as high as 113, going over 113 on that. So that was probably my best trade. My most profitable trade was Airbnb. So
yeah, beautiful trade on that one.
It was a good day.
Nailed that trade on Airbnb.
Yeah. So yeah, it was breaking out as well. Anyway, yeah, good day overall. And yeah, so there was a few other little scalps, but that's the way we do it.
Absolutely. So I mean, it's one thing we really got in the room. I felt, you know, we talked about this on Monday a little bit when I did a recap, is it's just kind of the feel of the community in the room. It's one reason I like trading with Brian so much is, you know, we're just kind of calm. We're just going through setups. What are some things we take? What are some opportunities? And on a day like today, it was actually a little more challenging because we had a lot of stocks to look at today. There was a lot of stuff moving, but I really think we did a great job at dialing in on the specific
Hmm.
movers that have, that had the best catalyst. So I'll go ahead and wrap it there. Everybody, YouTube land, if you have an opportunity,
Nice.
please thumbs up, please ring that bell, subscribe, comment. You know how it works, what it does for the algos, all that stuff. Please help us out there. Otherwise, I think we're going to have Andrew back on maybe tomorrow to do a little live trading from France. If not, your boy Thor will be here again to help out the Prophet of Profit to make a little bit of
Sweet.
money.
Yeah.
So, my friend, brother,
Yes,
I'll
sir.
talk to you a little bit later. Everybody out
Thank
there,
you.
have a great day and trade
Cheers.
green.
Thanks you, Thor, and thanks everybody out there. Thumbs up. Give us like, subscribe.